Right, we're looking at recurring decimals and converting them to fractions. Now, there's a technique where we get rid of the recurring bit by subtracting and then convert to a decimal. So once you've seen it a couple of times, it's pretty straightforward and you'll be able to see what to do. So, first thing to do is to say n equals 0.234. Okay, and there's the dots. Now, those dots means it goes 0.234, 234, 234, 234, forever. Alright, so there we go. Now, there are three numbers that recur. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply by 1,000. Okay, because that has three zeros. That will shift all the numbers up three place values, won't it? So we'll end up with 234.234. And that's recurring. Now, this is the crucial bit, is that the recurring bit on both of those parts are equal, because that's what we've got to do. Now, when we subtract both the things now, alright, we get 999 n's, we got 1,000 n's take away 1 n, and we get 234.234 recurring minus 0.234. Okay, recurring, which gives me 234. Okay, we now get the fraction n equals 234 over 99. Not 99, 999 I should add. Now, I don't know if that will simplify, but it might do. If I stick that in a calculator, it tells me that it's 26 over 111. Right, and there you go, and there's your answer. So the key is to get the same recurring bits, then subtract the equations, and then you can make your fraction. Same sort of thing with this. I'll do this one in blue. So we get n equals 0.357. Now, where the dots are means it's 0.357575757. So the 3 doesn't recur. Alright, so what we're going to do first of all is multiply by 10 so that the recurring bit is right next to the decimal point. Okay, now I'm going to multiply n by another 100, so in total 1,000, so 10 times 100 if you know what I mean. So here we go, 357.57. Alright, and the crucial bit here is the recurring bits are the same. So I'm gonna forget this bit, so so I don't need that bit anymore, and I'm gonna take away. So 1,000 n's minus 990 n's minus 10 n's gives me 990 n's, and I get 357.57 recurring minus 3, so that leaves me with 354. We then make a fraction. Actually, I need to do that a bit further over, I think, just in case. I'm not sure if this simplifies, although it does look like it does, to be honest. 354 over 990. Alright, and then I'm going to see if that simplifies. 354. I mean, to be honest, most questions won't ask you to simplify, but some will. So that, there we go, 59 over 165. Now, as I say, the key to this is getting the, and I'm just going to change to orange, or actually I'm going to yellow, there we go. That's yellow. It's this bit here has got to be the same in both bits before you subtract. Okay, I couldn't do it initially, I couldn't do it with that there because the recurring bit isn't right next to the decimal point. Right, so key is get the recurring bits the same, then subtract, and then you're in.